Question 4 is on stem and leaf diagrams. I need to draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put these numbers into order, starting with the smallest, 29, 31, and actually as I go through I'm going to strike these numbers off. Now let's finish this by magic. Okay, next up it's for my stem and leaf diagram. So over this side I'm going to have my stem, and on the far side I'm going to have my leaf. Now I just rewrite my numbers into my table. So the first number I've got is 29, then 31, 33, 35, and again, so that I'm not making mistakes, I could be striking these numbers off as I go, just to make sure that I include every number once and only once. Importantly, notice that I'm not putting commas in between my numbers. You must not put commas in between your numbers. Now let's just finish this by magic. And at this point I am almost finished. The last thing I must not forget is to include a key. My diagram is not completed until I've included a key, and that's just to tell everybody what we mean. And we mean that 2 line 9 means 29. I don't have to pick the first number in my list. I like to pick the first number in the list. I don't know why, but you can pick any number from the list. Just make sure stem and leaf diagrams, no commas in between your numbers, and you include the key. Make sure you write out the numbers in order first, just to make sure that drawing your stem and leaf diagram becomes that much simpler.